Hello students, this is the last session of this chapter, longitudes and latitudes, locating places. I know that many of you have not purchased books and I am trying to clear everything with the help of video. If you have any problem, please write in comment box. Today we are going to learn the difference between longitude and latitudes. Now, number one, the first difference is these are vertical lines joining the North Pole and South Pole. Vertical lines joining North Pole to South Pole. And these lines are horizontal lines running parallel to the equator. ये जो है parallel lines हैं जो कि equator से के parallel चलती हैं. These are equal in length. ये सारी lines क्या होंगी? Equal होती हैं. Length में, लंबाई में equal होंगी. कहीं भी छोटी बड़ी नहीं. These lines are decreasing as we move away from the equator. ये जो lines हैं जैसे जैसे हम poles की ओर जाएंगे ये जो इनकी length जो है वो कम होती जाती है. धीमे धीमे ये छोटी होती जाती हैं. The lines are numbered starting with the prime meridian marked as 0 degree longitude. ये स्टार्ट होती हैं 0 डिग्री प्राइम मेरिडियन जो कि यहाँ पर आपने देखा होगा पहले फिगर में 0 डिग्री प्राइम मेरिडियन से स्टार्ट होती हैं. और ये लाइन्स है नंबर स्टार्टिंग विद द इक्वेटर मार्क्ड एज 0 डिग्री. ये 0 डिग्री इक्वेटर से शुरू होती हैं, 0 डिग्री इक्वेटर से. दे आर 360 इन टोटल. ये जो है पूरी 360 यहाँ से जितनी भी लॉन्गिट्यूड्स बनती हैं वो टोटल 360 बनती हैं. और दे आर 180 इन टोटल. और ये 180 टोटल 180 लाइन्स हैं. These are 180 degree longitude in the eastern hemisphere and 180 degree longitudes in the western hemisphere. Eastern hemisphere ये, western hemisphere ये. Eastern hemisphere में 180 degree और यहाँ भी 180 degree. There are 90 latitudes in the northern hemisphere and 90 latitudes in the southern hemisphere. 90 latitudes यहाँ पर northern hemisphere में है और 90 southern hemisphere में. Now students, recap or summary of this lesson. Number one, there are two types of imaginary lines. Number one is latitudes, lines drawn from east to west. Number two is longitude, lines which joins the North Pole and South Pole. Number two, equator. It is the longest latitude. It divides the earth into two halves. Number three, north of equator is northern hemisphere. North equator के north में आ जाएंगे. This part is northern hemisphere and south of equator is southern hemisphere. Now number four, the equator is 0 degree latitude and prime meridian is 0 degree longitude. Equator जो है वो 0 डिग्री लैटिट्यूड को बोलते हैं और प्राइम मेरिडियन जो है वो 0 डिग्री लॉन्गिट्यूड पर है. इंटरनेशनल डेट लाइन क्या होती है? The 180 degree longitude and 180 degree west is 180 degree east longitude and 180 degree west longitude are the same line. एक ही लाइन है 180 degree east और 180 degree west. और इसी लाइन को that the same line and it is called international date line. और इसी लाइन को हम लोग कहते हैं international date line. Now grid, network of longitudes and latitudes on the globe is called grid. माने जो नेट बनता है longitudes और latitudes का वो grid कहलाता है. Students, all of you draw all the diagrams like latitudes, longitudes and the important lines of latitudes. All of you draw it in your notebooks. Okay. Then I am writing some word meanings on board. You have to write these all word meanings in your notebook. Students, these are some word meanings. Number one, globe. It is the model of the earth. Axis. It is an imaginary line on which the earth rotates. Longitude. It is the line which joins the North Pole and South Pole. Latitude. They are lines drawn from east to west. Equator, imaginary line that divides the earth into two halves. Prime meridian, 0 degree longitude, passes through the Greenwich near London, is called prime meridian. International date line, 180 degree east and 180 degree west longitude are the same lines called international date line. Grid, network of longitudes and latitudes. Students, all of you write all these word meanings in your copy. Draw all the diagram which I draw in this chapter. You will draw it in your notebooks, and I am giving you question answers, exercises all in homework. You will do it also, and we will meet in next session with new chapter. Bye. Stay home, stay healthy.